Meat has been a part of human diet since the beginning of civilization. A large part of human protein intake comes from meat, and its universal availability facilitates ready consumption. India has rapidly grown to become the world's largest buffalo meat exporter due to its large buffalo population. The northern state of Uttar Pradesh in India has the highest concentration of disease-free buffaloes. Rustam Foods Pvt Ltd is a modern abattoir cum meat processing plant located in Uttar Pradesh, India. This integrated plant is equipped with all modern facilities to process halal compensated meat. By adopting good manufacturing practices, high standards of quality control, and observance of hygienic methods at every stage conforming to international standards, Rustam Foods Pvt Ltd has achieved the aim to produce wholesome, healthy halal buffalo meat free from diseases and contamination with the assurance of superior quality and sufficient shelf life. Spread over a vast area covered with lush greenery near the Lucknow-Kanpur highway, Rustam Foods is an ISO 22000-2005 certified unit with state-of-the-art equipment, infrastructure and highly qualified staff. The promoters and management of the plant have substantial experience in various areas of meat processing. Under the leadership of Haji Muhammad Salim Qureshi, the chairman and managing director of the company, and guidance from Mr. Haji Ghulam Rasool Qureshi, founder and chief patron of the company, Rustam Foods has emerged as one of India's leading buffalo meat exporter.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The main motive of our company is to supply and serve hygienic and healthy halal buffalo meat to our valued customers and people worldwide.
Uttar Pradesh is the source of company's livestock requirements. Livestock in Uttar Pradesh is brought up on natural pastures and fodder. It is free from hormonal overages and provides good quality meat. Livestock brought in trucks to the unit are inspected at the entry point of the factory and are subjected to thorough disinfestation process through tire wash to ensure quality of the environment. ABIDA has laid down stringent requirements for construction of export-oriented abattoirs. Among other stipulations, branding of animals with unique identification marks is conducted. A systematic record of all animals offloaded is thus created for future reference in case of need. Taking due care for avoiding buffaloes getting stressed by mishandling, they are gently herded into a larage or resting area after a mandatory ante-mortem inspection. Qualified veterinarians from in-house and government deputed veterinary officer from the Department of Animal Husbandry separate unhealthy buffaloes for quarantine and observation and are eventually rejected if found not conforming to standard norms. Cleaning and thorough disinfection of livestock, even when received from approved sources, is a critically important prophylactic measure. This prevents any deterioration of meat by effectively controlling bacterial and viral diseases. RFPL views excellence and a proactive approach as the key factors of its operations and motivates its team members to adopt all of these in their activities. The utility block has lockers, separate changing rooms and washrooms for male and female staff separately. Before entering the slaughter area or any section of processing, members of the staff have to change into their factory uniforms. This is followed by a complete hand and boot wash. And thereafter, cleaning of hands by a disinfectant. Finally, before entering the main hall, they pass through a chlorine water dip. Slaughtering is done only after thorough cleaning of the animal. The slaughter is conducted strictly by the halal method, monitored and certified by Jamiat Ulema-e-Hind Halal Trust. The carcass is suspended on hooks and moved along rails. The processing line is a multi-stage procedure carried by skilled workers with world-class equipment. The entire plant machinery has been procured from the world's most reputed suppliers, as a result of which the production facilities conform to top international standards. Evisceration of the carcass is one of the most important operations in the process line. The carcass is then divided into two halves. A detailed post-mortem examination is conducted of the carcass meat and various organs. Incisions and clinical examinations identify pathological extent of the disease or infection at this stage too. In case of any infection, part or whole of the carcass may be rejected or condemned. Chlorinated water is used for thoroughly washing the carcass and the thoracic organs. The parts are washed, trimmed and weighed, and thereafter shifted to chiller rooms. Chilling is of particular importance as it impacts the shelf life of the product and its susceptibility to microbial invasion. Standard norms of surface temperature and core temperature are adhered to strictly. All of these steps are subjected to overall quality control inspections at each stage. A fully equipped modern laboratory is an integral part of the unit, and competent staff here conducts microbiological and pathological examination of the meat, along with water and wastewater analysis. Deboning is an important process of meat production. Skilled employees divide the carcass into a wide range of cuts as per the buyer's requirements. The cuts may vary according to the carcass weight and quality. The cuts are packed in food-grade LDPE bags and sent to blast freezer or plate freezers as per the packed size. Temperature is maintained at -35 to -40 degrees centigrade in the blast and plate freezers. Fully frozen products are packed in cartons specially meant for exports. These cartons are strapped, sealed and passed through a metal detector in order to maintain the safety of the products. Finished products, duly packed, are moved to cold storages before worldwide dispatch. It ensures edibility of the produce up to the best before date. We add value to the supply chain with an independent rendering unit located within the plant. Fully aware of the responsibility towards environment protection and water saving, an effluent treatment plant approved by the Pollution Control Board of India with stringent compliant systems has been established. Namaz not only disciplines life, but also ensures punctuality, sincerity, and turns oneself into a man of commitment. With a firm belief in this, a large prayer room has been consecrated, serving the purpose of offering namaz. Separate canteens for ladies and gents have been made for refreshments and meals. Regular training sessions are organized for employees of various departments to adopt the best practices in their respective fields. Rustam Foods Pvt Ltd, with the best of manpower and technical excellence, is marching ahead in its endeavor to deliver superior products to the valued clients.